Plandroid is a simple and convenient HVAC software tool for domestic and light commercial system design and quoting. Not only can it be used for air conditioning system design, it can also be used for ducted gas heating, ventilation system design, hydronic system design, using above-floor radiators and underfloor coils, venturi, which use a special high-velocity, small duct system, and lighting system design. Plandroid lets you create professional quotes quickly and efficiently, reducing costs and errors. Using Plandroid, you'll be able to quote on more jobs and you'll convert more of your quotes into sales by standing out from the competition. Plandroid does your basic load calculations automatically, showing the load for each zone and the total load for your plan. In Plandroid, you design your system using components from your hardware supplier's actual parts catalogs. So each part you use is the correct size and has the correct product code and price. The program has many powerful tools. The Auto-Size Duct tool can automatically size ducting to your required airflows. And the Automatic Design tool can even lay out the basis of a full working design automatically. Plandroid automatically creates your takeoff lists. It can automatically do your parts ordering. And it can automatically create reports from your designs. The program is simple enough for a casual user who will only occasionally design a system, yet powerful enough for the professional designer who needs to create accurate and attractive design layouts on a daily basis. The first page you see when you start Plandroid is the design page. This is where you create the system design itself, using the tools in the design toolbox. Plandroid lets you open a floor plan image of the building that you're designing the system for. An image can be in any common format including JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Using the Set Scale tool, you can enter any known distance into the distance field and drag the scale tool along the corresponding length on your plan to set the scale of your floor plan image. Other plan tools let you crop, cut, and edit the plan image, set its transparency, or add a title block to your design. You can start by simply modifying one of the pre-defined title blocks. The Draw Tool tab has a number of drawing tools, which allow you to draw your own plan layout if you need to, by drawing rooms with doors and windows as well as other items. These may be modifications to the plan image you are using, such as a planned extension, or you could draw the entire plan yourself directly from your sketch notes. You can refer to the status bar for instructions on how to use the selected tool. In the Loads tab, you can set and insert load zones into your design. Before adding any load zones, you should set the type of system you are designing. Plandroid supports reverse cycle cooling and heating, evaporative cooling, ducted gas heating, ventilation, hydronics, venturi, and lighting design modes. You can set your load zones by setting the tool parameters, such as the heat load per area and ceiling height. The program will automatically calculate the total load for each load zone you define. The Set Square Load Zone tool lets you lay down rectangular zones quickly. The Set Polygon Load Zone tool lets you specify a load zone of any shape by clicking points along its outline. If you have drawn in walls and rooms using the Draw tools, you can use the Fill Room tool to fill an enclosed room with a load zone. The Parts tool tab lets you add components into the design from catalogs of parts. Use the Select Catalogs tool to choose which catalogs you wish to load. Plandroid comes with a wide range of vendors' catalogs, as well as generic parts catalogs. It's important to select catalogs that are compatible with the design mode you are using. The upper two windows of the Parts tab panel let you select the type of part you want. And the bottom window lets you select and insert the specific part. Hover over any part to see more information about it. From the bottom window, individual parts can be dragged and dropped into the canvas. When you are dragging a part into the canvas, you can hold the Control key or the Shift key to drop the same part multiple times. You can position parts by clicking and dragging them. Anytime you have a selection, you can hold down the Alt key and drag the mouse to create a copy of your selection. You can use the key shortcut Control F in the canvas to find a part. Clicking the part will select it in the Parts panel. You can also drag and drop the part into the canvas. Many parts can connect with other parts. Connectors are highlighted in color to show what they can connect to. The red connector shows that the connectors cannot join together, while green connectors show that they can. Connections that glow green indicate that the parts have locked onto each other and will snap together when you release the part. Rigid parts that are connected will move and rotate together using a rotation handle. Ducting, piping, and wiring can be drawn and have arbitrary shapes and lengths. Any part that is shown with a small pen on its icon is a drawn part. Clicking on the part icon selects the draw tool for that part, which you will use to draw the part directly on the design canvas. Drawn parts have handles that you can drag to give them any shape you wish. Double-clicking on the selected drawn part will add a new handle. And double-clicking an existing handle will delete it. You can use the Quick Build tool to speed up creating designs. Use the tilde key to toggle the Quick Build tool on and off. This tool lets you draw your common parts straight onto your design. Click and drag to draw a duct with the tool. If you begin drawing anywhere on a length of flexible duct, the tool will automatically add a duct connector and continue drawing from the added part. Use the Auto Size Ducts tool to quickly resize. You can drop a part onto the canvas or insert it directly into the design. The Current Tool tab filters the type of objects that can be selected. So, you need to be in the Parts tab to be able to select parts. And in the Loads tab to be able to select load zones. And similarly for objects created in the Draw tab. The next page is the Customer page. This is where you can enter your customer details and manage them with a database connected to the program. The third page is the Costing page. This is where you can examine the costs associated with your design, modify the costs as necessary, and add your own additional cost items if required. The cost items are generated directly from your design, so they have the actual product codes and prices of your supplier parts. Any cell with a white background can be edited. You can edit the price of any part, and the program will remember the changed values the next time you create a design. Plandroid is designed for you to import your own entire custom pricing scheme. The fourth page is the Report page. Your template files specify which information from your design is inserted to automatically create the reports you need. You can bring up Plandroid Help to access the extensive help documentation that provides detailed information on how to use Plandroid. The first part of the help covers the program's functionality, and the second part explains how to do specific tasks. Plandroid lets you create beautiful HVAC system quotes quickly and efficiently. With Plandroid, you will be able to quote on more jobs and you'll convert more of those quotes into sales. You will have professional-looking designs tailored to your customers' wishes, designs that are correctly costed and with fewer errors. Plandroid is the most professional way to create accurate designs quickly and efficiently. It is the essential tool for giving your business the competitive edge it needs.